lose or forget your key again. Your renters or employees leave without returning the key. Want to know who has opened your door and when? Need higher security level for sensitive doors. You need a smart lock. Introducing Ultraloq UL3 BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. Ultraloq is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. If you have a smartphone, you can unlock your door in Ultraloq app through Bluetooth Low Energy connectivity. You still have the mechanical key for backup. Ultraloq's Knock to Open feature allows you to just knock on your phone twice, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. Ultraloq integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. In Ultraloq app, you can view logs of who has entered and exactly when they did, see who has the access and how, and even clone users when you install a new lock. For quick user management, just use touchscreen to simply add or delete user on the device. No problem if you don't have a smartphone. Ultraloq has an outstanding battery life, up to 8,000 times of access, powered by 3 AA batteries. It sends you low battery alerts on both LCD and app. Ultraloq is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof with strong zinc alloy casing. We selected the best chip providers in the world to ensure best performance. Ultraloq is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. Ultraloq. Simplify your safety. Please back up today on Indy.
What is Plume? Plume spreads Wi-Fi across your entire home. Pods plug straight into the wall. No messy cables. They spread the internet from your existing modem to every corner of your home at full speed. Plume doesn't just make your Wi-Fi faster. It intelligently adapts to your environment and manages your Wi-Fi 24/7 based on insights like the number and types of devices you have connected. So how do you set it up? To get started, you need an active internet connection and working modem at home. From there, installing your pods can be done in about 4 minutes with the Plume app. Use the app to create your Plume account and connect a Plume SuperPod to the modem. Once Plume is broadcasting and ready to discover more pods, you can spread the remaining pods around the house, being mindful of a few considerations along the way. First of all, it's better to keep the SuperPods toward the center of the house, rather than placing them on exterior walls. This typically amounts to 1 pod per room and 1 SuperPod for every 2 rooms in the house. Watch out for obstructions, such as metallic objects, mirrors, appliances, and glass. These items may interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. And that's it, you're all set. Plume is up and running right away. From now on, your Plume membership is there to ensure your network is always at peak performance. It keeps your network up to date and optimized. You'll also get perks like parental controls, full visibility into speed and performance, and simple and secure guest access. With your membership comes superb customer support and service. Plume. worry-free Wi-Fi.
Introducing CANARY Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free, in the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals. Or watching your new vase being delivered. Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there. Under here, up here, there, or even in here. You know, with the valuables. For a million different things, engineered into one beautifully designed package. CANARY Flex, the inside or outside, plugged in or wire-free, weatherproof HD security camera. CANARY, live life in the know.
Do you know what you're breathing indoors? Do you think the air is clean at home? Well, I beg to differ. The air indoors is about 5 times more polluted than the air outdoors. Do you wonder why you start coughing when you get home? Or why you are having an allergic reaction every time you enter your laundry room? It might be volatile organic compounds that are polluting your home, or household items and chemicals, such as detergents, cosmetics, carpets, or even your romantic soothing candles. I am iBaby Air, a smart air quality monitor and purifier. I'm here to make sure you and your family are breathing clean, fresh air, alerting you every time the air quality drops. Functioning as an air station, I allow you to see data from iBaby Air monitors near you for comparison. When I detect a decrease in air quality, I'll send an alert straight to your phone and will automatically start purifying the air with ions. Also, I will provide you with graphs and suggestions to improve your lifestyle. I'll make sure you're living a happy, healthy life, just like I did for this family.